Tal at Noi Songwa, two of the most famous neighborhoods to explore in Bangkok. Pero may isang area na hindi ganun kasikat. Check natin itong Ban Tat Tong. If you love food, ito yung dapat mong puntahan. One long stretch of street na halos bawat kanto may makikita kang food spot, from Michelin-recognized restaurant, cafes, old school Thai food, hanggang sa mga viral na desserts. Tara na, kumain na tayo. We started with lunch at Here Do One. Ito yung isa sa mga spot na sikat for their creamy seafood loaded omelets. So syempre, we had to try the omelette rice with crab. Pricey siya, pero grabe yung creamy egg, tapos may crab pa, worth it. Bahala na lang mag-ipon ulit after. Even the noodles with prawns and squid, easy. Next, sa Mother Cow's, na parang simple lang nitong bread and ice cream combination. Pero bakit ganun? Ang sarap din ito. Ang lambot niya with crust pa, tama yung tamis, sarap lalo ng ice cream, which is sarili nilang gawa. Dami pa nga dito, dinaanan na lang namin. Mas nagiging lively pa to pag maggagabi na. We even stopped by a photo booth para may remembrance kami. Dito kami excited sa the best tom yum daw. So next stop natin ang J.O. Chula. Grabe ang pila dito, swinerte lang kami. Kilala to sa Ban Tat Tong, especially because of their famous Tom Yum Mama, and they've been a Michelin spot for years. Alam mo nyo mga tropa, one of the best talaga to na natry ko. Yung creamy, spicy, sour Tom Yum broth with the noodles, seafood, and all the toppings. Inasid nga ako eh. And then finally, this viral dessert na akala ko hype lang sa ice cream summer son. Natry namin tong melting sundae banana creme brulee. At bonus, paggabi may mga night market and more food spots around the area. Nakailang Bangkok na ako, pero ngayon ko lang talaga na-experience ang Ban Tat Tong. So if you're planning a Bangkok trip, especially if food trip yung habol mo, isama nyo to sa itinerary nyo.